Changing your bank account on SumUp is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your banking information easily. Step 1. Open the SumUp app. Launch the SumUp app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. In-app, locate the menu icon, usually found in the top corner. Tap on it, then select Account Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Select Bank Account Information. Within the Account Settings, find the option labeled Bank Account or Payment Settings. Tap on it to view your current bank account details. Step 4. Update bank account details. Choose the option to edit or change your bank account. Enter the new bank account information carefully, ensuring all details are correct. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the new bank account information, look for a Save or Confirm button. Tap it to finalize the changes and ensure your new bank account is linked. Once you've completed these steps, your bank account on SumUp will be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to SumUp's customer support for assistance.